Namaste, my dear voting personnels of Parliamentary Election of India 2024. I am Govinda Vishwas. I am a presiding officer in the fourth phase of Lok Sabha vote. Here are some tips and experiences as to how you can perform your election duty from distribution center to receiving center so easily without any tension. On P-1 day, please reach the DCRC within the scheduled time and contact and meet all the members of your team for a fixed polling station. Then was the large flex board inside the DC and note down the number of your polling station by comparing with your polling party. Then the presiding officer and first polling officer jointly do the mobile registration at the specific mobile registration counter. In peaceful situation, you will have to send 12 SMSs, but it can be more than 12 SMSs depending on other situations. The 12 SMSs are on P-1 day, mobile registration at DC and safe arrival at polling station or SAP. On the poll day, mock poll SMS, then poll start SMS at 7 a.m. Then at 9 a.m., 11 a.m., 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. please send SMSs and then total votes polled at 6 p.m. If there is a queue at 6 p.m., please send a queue message. When the voting is closed, please send the voting turned out message or total votes polled SMS. On reaching the receiving center, send SMS safely arrived at receiving center. On P-1 day, after doing the mobile registration, you the 4 polling persons go to the specific counter and take all the voting materials like control unit or CU, ballot unit or BU, VVPAT, voting chamber and all the forms, envelopes, stationery materials, etc. You will get a checklist. Please check all the polling materials with this checklist. If there are some items missing, go to the materials counter and the necessary items. Then ask at the counter if there are state police tag, micro observer tag, special observer tag for your polling station. If yes, take them. Take the mobile number of the sector officer and contact him or her immediately. Ask the counter when the vehicle will start for your polling station. If there is some times at your hand before the departure from the distribution center, please fill up the forms and envelopes as far as possible. Then board the bus, car or the specific vehicle and arrive at your polling station and send an SMS of safe arrival at polling station. Then take bath, eat some tiffin and arrange the voting room. Paste all the posters inside and outside your polling room. Arrange sufficient electric light and chair, table, bench, etc. Then the polling agents will arrive there, take their mobile phone numbers and request them to arrive here tomorrow at 5 o'clock in the early morning. Do the necessary papers works at as far as possible at night. Go to bed at 11 p.m. On the poll day, wake up at 4 a.m., take bath and call the polling agents by mobile phone. They will arrive one by one. Take from them form number 10 or polling agent's appointment letter. Ask them to sign it. You sign it yourself. Please give them entry pass by filling up all the points with distinguishing mark. You must start mock poll 90 minutes ago of real actual time, that is 7 a.m. in the morning. Start mock poll at 5:30 a.m. after connecting the BU, VVPAT and CU. That means it will be BVC, that is BU, VVPAT and CU. Cast at least 50 mock polls including nota or none of the above button. Now send an SMS of mock poll to the specific number. Then start actual poll at 7 a.m. and send an SMS of poll started. Friends, you will get 6 big covers from DC. They are first cover or EVM cover, second cover or scrutiny documents cover, third cover or statutory cover, fourth cover or non-statutory cover, fifth cover and the sixth cover. First, second and third cover are white, fourth cover is yellow, fifth cover is brown and sixth cover is blue. You will also get a stitch booklet. My dear presiding officer, please fill all the incomplete forms and covers. One vital point is, please take the signatures of the polling agents during the poll, during the whole day. Don't leave the matter of taking polling agents' signature for evening. On the cover page of all packets, there are printed names of articles to be put inside. Please take the packets one by one. Detach the forms of the perforated or detachable booklet and fill up the forms all day. Also fill up the stitch booklet, but you must not detach the leaves of the stitch booklet. Before 5 p.m., do 98% works of forms and envelopes. When poll will be closed at 6 p.m. or later, complete the remaining works of forms and envelopes. Give one 17C form filled up to each main agent of each political party present at the polling station. You must not forget to attach one 17C filled up form at the handle of the control unit. When poll is closed, press the close button of control unit. Seal with lock the result section of control unit. Use green paper seal and special address tag to seal the result section of the control unit. If you are given white cloth at the DC, pack the CU and BU with the white cloth. Keep in mind which forms will be sealed and which forms will be unsealed. My dear friends, now I am telling you in short of the first packet. There are 3 items. The first packet is called EVM paper or EVM packet. There are 3 small packets. Accounts of votes, form number 17, it will be unsealed. presiding officer report part 1, part 2, part 3, it will be unsealed. And the third is mock poll slip, it will be in black cover, it will be sealed. These are in the big first packet or EVM packet, you should keep in mind. Next, the second packet or scrutiny documents packet. There are 4 items. Register of voters, form number 17A, it must be sealed. Presiding officer diary, it must be unsealed. Blind and infirm voter list, from 14A, and companions declarations, it must be unsealed. And there will be visit sheet, it must be unsealed. These 4 small packets will go in the second packet, that is scrutiny documents packet. And next, the third packet or the statutory cover. The small packets are all will be sealed. Marked copy of electoral roll plus classified service voter list, it will be sealed. Use voter slips, it will be sealed. Tender voter list, form number 17B plus use tender ballot paper, it will be sealed. Unused tender ballot papers, it will be sealed. List of challenge vote, form 14, it will be sealed. Then the fourth packet or non-statutory cover. There will remain 11 small packets. All are unsealed. There are other copies of electoral roll, appointment letter of polling agent, form number 10, presiding officer declaration, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, EDC or election duty certificate, form 12B, receipt book and cash, unused and damaged paper seal and special address tag, unused voter slips, under 18 electors declaration and requisite division list, test vote declaration of voter, absent, shifted and duplicate voter declarations, and letter of complaints to SHO or station head officer. Then the fifth packet, there will be 3 items mainly. These are presiding officer handbook, instruction of EVM and VVPAT, and 1 sealed cover indelible ink set. And all the other items, papers or digital items will go in the 6th packet, like list of contesting candidates, form 7A, specifying signature sheet, cup for indelible ink, metal seal of presiding officer, arrow cross mark for tender vote, all unused forms and items, plus any other items. And my dear friends, you remember that sector will take from you 2 forms. These are presiding officer report part 4 and part 5, and polling agents will take from you accounts of votes from 17A. And my dear friends, now all the works are completed. Now board the vehicle and arrive at the receiving center. Immediately on receiving the RC, please send an SMS of safe arrival at RC. Stand in queue at the receiving center with your team. When you get the turn, you will be successful to submit within only 5 minutes. Now repeat, when you will get your turn, you will be successful to submit all your items within only 5 minutes, and then return to your near and dear ones at home with victorious smile and gesture. My dear friends, my dear presiding officers and all other polling persons, please stay safe, secured and blessed. You all, always, Namaste.